Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. This video would be a short market update, and I will also analyze Ethereum in this market update because everything is going normal as we predicted in yesterday's market analysis video. So yesterday I told you that a price can possibly come down and test 18,800, and it almost came to 18,800 and then bounced from here. So yesterday's market analysis video went all the way correct. Today we'll analyze BTC as well Ethereum in our today's market analysis video. So let's get started. Let me show you. Yesterday we suffered a stop loss in our BTC trade. The reason to show you this our this failure is that we suffer stop losses as well. Actually, our entry was around, this was our possible trade. We were expecting a small move up. This was our entry at 19,030 and our stop loss was 18,940. So if you calculate this, it would be just 0.3% stop loss. Means with 20x, this is just 6% loss. With 20x, this loss is just 6%. And today we again traded BTC long again. This was our potential signal, and this trade hit our two TPs and we secured profit of 1.5%. This is how we trade with proper risk management. We traded this with 1 is to 5 ratio. Means our yesterday's loss all recovered and we are still in 4x profit. So that's how we trade with proper risk management. Our one trade in profit is equal to our 5 trades if went in loss. So that's how we trade with proper risk management and how we guide all these guys. If you also want to join us on Discord, you can contact us on Telegram. We will let you know what's the criteria to join us on Discord. So currently we are on BTC USD 30-minute time frame. Yesterday I told you market can possibly come to 18,800 and then it can take up a potential bounce. But in today's market analysis video, I will let you know what's happening right here on 4-hour time frame. So currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. We can see formation of trend line like right here, and price is still holding the dog blocks as I discussed in my previous market analysis videos. So currently we are on BTC USD 4-hour time frame. We can see formation of trend line right here. Tons of liquidity lie above this trend line, and tons of liquidity lie at this inefficiency block right here. What can be a possible move? So this all move is actually the test of the spring of Wyckoff accumulation, as I discussed in my yesterday's market analysis video. So what can we expect currently in the market? Sorry. So currently what can we expect? We might see a possible move up, grabbing liquidity above this trend line, then moving the price towards lower zones. What are those zones? The dog block right here and the dog block right here. So summarizing the 4-hour BTC USD analysis again, we are forming a trend line, liquidity above this trend line and liquidity at this inefficiency block right here. We can see a possible move up, grabbing all the liquidity lying above this trend line and then moving the price towards lower zones, which is actually the dog block, and it's also an order block right here. But what is dog block? It's really our secret that we will only let you know if you join us on our VIP Discord. So guys, this was BTC USD, and now let's analyze Ethereum. So currently we are on Ethereum USD 4-hour chart. We can see formation of Wyckoff accumulation again, the arithmetic rally, the selling climax, STNB, which never got tested, and now its price is actually trying to test this STNB, which would actually be a spring, and after this again test, and then we can see a potential move up. If this all accumulation gets validated, then we can see a possible move from this zone, which is 1999.50. But if price fails to hold this dog block right here, then what can be the possible next move? If price fails to hold this order potential dog block right here, what can be the next move? The next move would be the area of inefficiency in the form of imbalance, which is right here, which never got filled, and now price will try to fill this area of inefficiency right here, which is actually in the form of imbalance. What is the target? The target is in between 867 to 818. So the scenario is quite simple. We have two zones for Ethereum USD. Let me clear all this stuff. So for Ethereum USD, the scenario is quite simple. We have two zones that are important for a bullish move up. One is 979 and the other zone is in between 850, and the other move is in between 850 to 700. These two zones are really important for Ethereum USD to continue its bullish move up. Where would we target? We would target this area of inefficiency and this order block right here. So what just happened here, let me explain a little. We formed automatic rally, the selling climax, the ST, and a break of structure right here, and which was invalidated by this break of structure right here, and this low was broken by this low, which with the break of structure again right here. And we are currently expecting a test of the spring and then move up. If we lose this support, then we might see a move down towards this area of inefficiency according to daily time frame. This was today's market analysis video. If you like our market analysis videos, make sure to join us on Telegram and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.